5 AI breakthroughs you'll see by next year. Let's get into it. Number 1. Agentic AI that actually gets things done, not just chat, actions. I'm talking assistants that read your email, draft a response, book the flight, fill out the form, and log the expense without bouncing you between tabs. You'll see this baked into operating systems and everyday apps. Think calendars, spreadsheets, CRM, where you say the goal and it orchestrates the steps with tool access and memory. Quick proof. We've already got co-pilots across office suites and models that can browse, call APIs, and control apps. 2025-26 is when it stops being a demo and becomes default. Number 2. On-device AI goes mainstream. Phones and laptops are getting serious NPUs, so a lot of what used to need the cloud runs locally, faster, cheaper, and more private. That means instant voice assistance, translation, image edits, and even small agents running offline. Proof. Apple Intelligence, Gemini Nano, and new AI PCs show the direction. By next year, latency drops, battery holds, and features don't feel beta anymore. Number 3. Real-time generative media. Text to video was cool demo territory. Now it's turning into shoot a scene with a sentence and tweak it live. Expect short ad spots, explainer clips, and B-roll made in minutes, plus real-time dubbing that keeps your voice and lips synced in another language. Watermarking and content credentials roll out alongside, because authenticity will matter as much as creativity. Proof. We've seen models doing live voice, image, and video previews. The jump to production workflows is happening. Number 4. AI at work. Co-pilots become co-workers. Every knowledge job gets an autopilot for the boring parts, meeting notes, first drafts, slide outlines, data cleanup, and follow-ups. For developers, agents write tests, fix PR comments, and scaffold services from a prompt. For sales and support, AI listens, updates the CRM, drafts replies, and escalates only the edge cases. Proof usage is already sticky where it saves 30-60 minutes a day. The next year is about trust, audit trails, versioning, and controls that make managers say yes. Number 5. Physical AI. Robots learn faster. Foundation models aren't just for language, they're teaching robots to generalize across tasks. Expect pilots in warehouses, retail restocking, and pick and place, plus narrower home tasks like tidying zones or unloading a dishwasher with guidance. Don't expect sci-fi roommates yet, but do expect useful, repeatable jobs that compound week over week. Proof. Multimodal models already do perception and planning. 2025-26 adds better hands, better safety, and cheaper hardware. Bonus shifts to watch. Search becomes answer first. AI summaries on top, shopping agents underneath. SEO strategies change, fast. Personal AI with memory. Your preferences, your docs, your style. One assistant that follows you across devices.